What if I told you that in 2026, thousands of people are making an extra $1,000 to $5,000 every month, without quitting their jobs, without a degree, and without doing anything risky? This isn't a dream, it's happening right now. In this video, I'll show you 7 real side hustles that are paying in the US today, and how you can start one immediately. Welcome back to EduTech Finance, the channel where we teach the smart way to grow your finance with ease and turn smart money moves into real income. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, struggling to save, or just want extra money for investing or freedom, this video is for you. These are not get-rich-quick schemes. They're realistic side hustles with low startup cost and proven demand. Let's get into it. Let's start with one of the fastest ways to make money: delivery and rideshare driving. Apps like Uber, DoorDash, Lyft, and Instacart still pay well in 2026, especially in busy areas. Most drivers earn $20, $35 per hour, especially during evenings and weekends. If you work just 10-15 hours a week, you can easily make $1,000 to $2,000 per month. The key is working smart, using peak hours, stacking apps, and tracking mileage for tax deductions.
If you like animals, this is one of the easiest side hustles to start. Apps like Rover and Wag allow you to earn money walking dogs or pet sitting. Many sitters charge $30-$60 per walk, $50-$120 per overnight stay. With just a few repeat clients, people easily earn $1,200 to $3,000 a month. No degree, no experience, just reliability and good reviews.
Next one is AI-powered freelance services. This is one of the biggest money opportunities in 2026. You don't need to build AI, you just need to use it. People are making money with AI content creation, prompt writing, chatbot setup, social media automation. Some freelancers charge $50, $150 per hour, even as beginners. This industry is growing fast, and most people still don't understand it.
Side hustle number 4 is freelance writing and content creation. Businesses need content more than ever: blogs, emails, social posts, websites. Even beginners can make $20 to $50 per article, while experienced writers earn much more. With AI tools, writing is faster than ever, which means higher income in less time. If you do just 10 projects per month, you can easily cross $1,500 to $4,000. Number 5 is virtual assistant work. Virtual assistants help business owners with emails, scheduling, social media, and basic admin work. Pay ranges from $15 to $40 per hour, depending on experience. You don't need special skills, just organization, communication, and consistency. Many people scale this to multiple clients and earn $2,000 plus per month.
The last side hustle is UGC content creation. Best option. This is hands down the best side hustle right now. Brands pay normal people to create short videos for TikTok and Instagram, even if you have 0 followers. You don't sell. You just create simple videos. Pay ranges from $100 to $500 per video, and many creators make $3,000 to $5,000 per month. This market is exploding, and it's still early. How to hit $1,000 fast? Here's the truth. Don't try everything. Pick one side hustle. Commit for 30 days. Get your first results. Then scale. Use free tools, track your income, and reinvest your earnings. Consistency beats talent every time.
Quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Earnings vary based on effort, location, and market conditions. Always consult a financial professional before making financial decisions.